Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, this is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting tonight will be how to make an emergency lighting using LEDs. Uh, I got my extra power bank. This extra power bank is this one here. I think this is 3000 milliampere hour. So I could use this one as a power source of my LED lamp here. This is my LED lamp. This LED lamp originally actually 3 1 1.5. It's powered by 4 1.5 volt batteries. So actually this LED lamp needs 3 volts. And luckily, our power bank is actually rated 3.7 volts. So this is more than good enough to power up this LED lamp here. We could use this one during brownouts. Okay. Because the only thing we needed during brownouts is a lamp. And it's an LED lamp which uses a power bank. So what I did is that I installed this LED lamp on top of the power bank. Okay. I got my what is glue gun stick here. I don't have the glue gun, but I could melt this one to connect this LED lamp to the power bank. Actually, it's already connected. So what I did is that I just used my resourcefulness. I heated this one with my heat gun, then dropped the melted glue, okay, on the LED lamp bottom. Then I pushed the LED lamp on to the power bank. So right now, the LED lamp and the power bank are connected. I don't have to need any tie. I just use a glue gun. And to use this one, I got my glue gun here. Okay. Okay, I will use my heat gun to melt that glue there. So when it melted, I will put it at the bottom of the LED lamp, and I push that LED lamp on the power bank so it will be attached. So without using a heat, what you call this glue gun, because my glue gun is actually very cheap, it could not melt the glue stick. But luckily, I got my power station here, which comprises of a heat gun and a soldering gun, and actually we could increase or decrease the temperature of this one. Okay, we could increase it. So I use this one to melt that glue stick for the LED lamp to be connected to the bottom of top portion of the power bank. Okay, I will shut off my power bank. So I use this one to connect this LED lamp to the power bank, and it is now connected. Okay, so what's the only missing thing now? The missing thing is to identify the positive and negative terminal of this LED lamp. The positive terminal is this one here. This is marked plus. I bore a hole. That metal thing inside is actually the plus terminal, and I mark this one as plus. So I will be clipping this one. Okay, that's the clip of the power source coming from the power bank, and the polarity should be plus. That's why I put a yellow zip tie here to identify that this terminal here is the plus. And one thing more, this terminal here is marked plus. Right? And for the other side, I also bore a hole here. It got a hole. Because I identified that this vertical rod inside is actually the negative terminal, and I marked this side here or hole here to be negative. This is this side negative. So I will be clipping this one. This clip here emanates from the power bank, and it's actually the negative terminal of the power bank. Okay. How do we connect this minus and plus to the power bank? Okay, I got a USB connector here. This is the USB connector, right? We got lots of this one. So I cut the end portion. I bring out the red and black. So the red will be connected to the plus, and the black will be connected to the minus. So this is the connection of the LED lamp going to the power bank. Okay, I will try to insert this one. Okay. So I inserted already the USB to the power bank. And last night, I charged this one using my assembled DC to DC converter, which I charged a power bank. I charged this one last night. So it got already a charge. Okay. How much it charge? It's 100%. It should be the reverse. This is 100. It's fully charged. But how come the lamp is still not yet lighted? We connected already the plus. We connected the minus. The power bank is alive. But how come the lamp is not yet lighted? The switch of the LED lamp is here. We'll just push this one. Actually, it got 4 modes. First mode, second mode, third mode. Okay, I will try to push this one. That's the first mode. I think that's the brightest one. I will go to the second mode. That's the second mode. Okay, the third mode. That's the third mode. And the fourth mode. The fourth mode is when the LED light goes red. And the next one is actually I think this is the off. Or it's the flashing red. So actually, we could use this one to bring it in our car. So just in case we got stuck up on the highway, we could use this one as a flasher. Right? Next, I will pause again. And that's the what you call this? The off condition. Okay, I will repeat it. First pause. Second pause. Third pause. It go red. Then the next one, it will flash. Okay. First, second, third, fourth is the full red. I think the next one should be the flasher. The last one is the flasher. So this is very useful. We could bring it when we are traveling and we got stuck up on the highway, and we could use this one as a flasher. It will last long because the consumption of this LEDs is very minimal, and this power bank is rated, I think it's 1800 milliampere hour. Okay, I will try to push again. That's the off button. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. If you want to subscribe to my channel is at youtube.com/Prof. David J. De Los Reyes. My channel comprises of long video format topics on mathematics. That's 10 subjects already, starting from differential calculus. It's 10 subjects. My short videos comprises of anything on electronics, what you call this, outing, gardening, anything with the title "How to." Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor Vijay de los Reyes.